Does anybody not like to hear the sound of their voice? Most people say that. You guys are a unique group. Well, I'm going to give you a random scientific fact. It's because we hear ourselves differently. When you're talking to someone else or you're communicating, you're only communicating through air conduction. When you are listening to your own voice, you're listening through air conduction as sound goes out of your mouth and filters through your auditory channels, and bone conduction, the vibration from your skull, adds that added element that you hear that other people don't hear. That is why when we hear ourselves, we say, "That's not me. That doesn't sound like me."